Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2012 government pass question. Question number 3. Question number 3 says state as as a political entity refers to dash. State as a political entity refers to dash. So what this question is trying to find out is the definition of a state. Definition of a state. So option A say an organized group within a definite territory. B, an association of men in a given society. C, a branch of a nation. D, a geographical location. The definition of a state is that a state is a political entity which refers to an organized group within a definite territory. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.